Welcome back to today's video, y'all. I know it's been a minute, that's on me, but I've been super busy, with work and all that. I run my own business when it comes to powder coating, so sometimes we get busy and, I don't have time to edit and all that, but we're back today. And today what we're going to be doing is very exciting, is taking out the engine of the Z. So it's known to be a very notorious job. We've gone pretty deep into it already. We just got to finish taking off the plenum and make sure everything's disconnected. So stay along with our journey and let's get that engine out and then start tearing it down. Okay, so we got some paper towels here and some masking tape because you do not want any dust in your engine. So we're going to get this ready for when we pull the plenum off so we can tape it up and have it ready to go. This is where I discovered where the EGR was bolted into, under the intake. It definitely did not help that this engine bay was so tight you can barely fit anything, so I spent maybe 2 hours going 2 clicks at a time with my ratcheting wrench on this EGR. We were finally able to get the plenum off so we could finally move on to removing the accordion pipes and then finally removing the whole engine. We got everything ready for the engine cooling. We're got the cherry picker right there, engine right there. Hopefully we can get it out quicker than normal. But let's go. Guys, before you judge me in the comments, yes, I know there's many things I forgot and I was finding along the way. but that is because there's zero videos of this 300ZX anywhere on how to remove the engine properly, doing this and that. So I was just going along, okay? So don't judge me too much.
Many unbearable hours later.
One eternity later.
Y'all, I kid you not, I was so out of it and so tired by the end of this night because it's already really late that I was trying to pull this transmission off without taking off the torque converter bolts. And I was wondering, what is holding this together so tight? And then I realized and I was like, are you serious, my brother? Like, I kid you not, guys, this is not for the weak. All right, thank y'all for watching this video. I know it was a little short, but in the next video, we're going to be tearing down that engine and see what we find. And telling you right now, we find many surprises. So stay tuned, and I hope I can get that video out way quicker than this one took to make, okay? Appreciate it, guys. Keep the support.